In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Uber Cash Payment. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make sure that your Uber Cash balance is used up before any payment methods that you choose, or how to double check that the option to use Uber Cash is enabled. The process that I'm gonna show you in this video is going to work for Uber Eats, so it is the primary way that I'm going to record this video, or even the standard Uber app for rides. So just follow the instructions that I'm going to give you, and it is going to work regardless of the app that you choose. First, what I recommend is that you go over to your account page and access your wallet, where you can check how many Uber credits or Uber Cash you have. You will notice that my balance is completely empty, but don't worry, the method that I'm going to show you will solve your issues regardless of whether you have or don't have balance. So in here, you can add funds if necessary before starting, but once you know that you have enough credits or enough balance and you are ready to place your order or get a ride, just go back and proceed to checkout. So if you are on Uber Eats, go to your cart and proceed to checkout. If you are acquiring a ride, just proceed until you reach the payment options window, just like you can see here. Now, what you have to do to find the option to use Uber Cash as payment is to close down this tab if it pops up automatically, and if you scroll down under the total after you see your items during checkout, you will find this little payment icon. The option to enable or disable using Uber Cash as the payment is going to be found here, so tap the payment option and immediately you can see the Uber Cash that is going to be used. Now, usually it is going to be available here, and all that you would have to do is tick this option on. As long as this little option at the right side is left on, the Uber Cash balance that you have on your wallet is going to be used up before reaching the second payment method. Of course, if the Uber Cash that you have is enough to pay for the entirety of the order or the ride, you won't even have to use the secondary payment method, but if it isn't enough, it is going to cover an amount of the purchase and then use the second payment method. But this is all you have to do to make sure that you are using Uber Cash Payment. Now, a lot of users have reported problems with this method. Either they can't find the option to enable Uber Cash, or it simply isn't listed here. If you do not see the option, for the most part, the Uber Cash should be used up automatically. I cannot guarantee that this will work, but you could just assign a secondary payment method, and as long as you have Uber Cash in your wallet, it should be used up before the secondary payment method. I can't confirm that this will work, so I highly recommend that you try updating the app, and before placing an order or a ride, tap on the payment method icon and try looking for the Uber Cash trigger over here. Afterwards, you can add a payment method, so if necessary, close down this tab and find payment options where you can take this option on. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Uber Cash Payment. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.